It's a peaceful morning in the tropics, August 27th, 1883. And then the island of Krakatoa makes the loudest sound in human history. To understand how loud, you need to understand the ladder. A conversation is 60 decibels, a rock concert 120. A jet engine, up close, 150, enough to damage your ears in seconds. Krakatoa? 172 decibels, measured 100 miles away. Let that land. 100 miles from the blast, it was still louder than a jet engine in your face. Sailors 40 miles away had their eardrums instantly ruptured by the pressure. But the truly unbelievable part is how far it traveled. 3,000 miles away, on a tiny island near Mauritius, people heard a booming in the distance. They thought it was a naval battle. It was a volcano 1/8 of the way around the world. And the sound didn't stop there. The pressure wave from the blast raced outward in every direction, swept across entire oceans, and wrapped all the way around the planet. Then it came back around and went again and again. Instruments across the world recorded the waves circling the Earth 4 times over 5 days. So what actually is a sound this loud? Sound is just air pushing, a wave of pressure punching your eardrum. And here's the strange ceiling nobody tells you about. In our atmosphere, a sound can only get so loud, about 194 decibels. Past that, the air can't be squeezed any harder. The wave stops being a sound and becomes a shockwave, a wall of pressure that flattens what it hits. Krakatoa crossed that line. For a moment, it wasn't a sound at all. It was a weapon. It reshaped the sky, the sea, and 36,000 lives. The loudest thing we ever heard lasted only seconds, but the whole earth kept ringing for days. Be grateful for the quiet.